Hey friends, subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also don't forget to press the notification bell so you could be notified for every new video uploaded on my channel.
Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. This is me Umar Patel and today I'll be showing guys how to switch from third person mode to first person mode in PUBG Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed the video, do hit the like button and let's begin with the video. So first of all, you need to download an application called Hackers Keyboard. So don't worry, we're not going to be hacking anything. Now you want to open the application and then you want to select the first option, which is enable keyboard, and then inside it you want to enable your keyboard. Well, I have enabled it from before, so I'm going to disable it and then you want to enable it and then hit OK, and then you can close your settings. So I'm going to be closing my settings. Then you want to select the second option, which is set up input method, and then select Hackers Keyboard from here. Now your job is done in this application. Now close your application and then go to your settings. You want to open your settings and then you want to navigate to language and input, which in my case is available in additional settings. You can also search from the top search bar. Now you want to go to additional settings and select language and input. In every phone you have a different way to go inside it. So here in lines is an additional setting. Now once you go inside it, you want to select Hackers Keyboard. It will take you to the Hackers Keyboard settings. Now you want to scroll down till the bottom and then you will find an option to show permanent in notification, which will be disabled, but in my case I've used it before, so it's enabled. Now you want to enable it and then show the keyboard notification always in the notification, so you can open the keyboard from the notification anytime whenever you want to use it. Now you can close your application and then run PUBG Mobile. So I'm going to quickly open PUBG Mobile over here. Okay, so PUBG Mobile is finally turned on and I've opened the training mode. Now here, as you guys can see, I'm in third person mode. Now to switch to first person mode, you want to bring down your notification panel and then you want to select Hackers Keyboard, which will pop up the keyboard, and then just hit the V button and then you will be into the first person mode, first person perspective, and you can enjoy first person in third person mode, and you can also play it in arcade also. So now you want to go back to third person, then just bring your notification down, press the Hackers Keyboard, press the V button, and you're back to normal. Now this option is not anything fake or anything, but it's available in Chinese version. It's no any hack, right? So and in our global version not available. So to test it, I've also connected a physical keyboard, as you guys can see over here, and now we're gonna press the V button, which will take you to the first person mode by pressing the V button. So this is proof that it's not any hack, but it will be available soon in our global version. Okay, so I hope this video was useful for you guys, and so if it was, then do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, press the notification bell so you could get notified every new videos on my channel. So until the next video, goodbye.